Welcome to Space Tech Expo 2018. Let's get a look around this year's show. Now here we are with Plane Wave Instruments and Ralph here. Now you're committed to providing some, fantastic imaging equipment. Tell me what we have on the stand here.
Yeah, our company makes telescopes for education, for research, for aerospace and for defense purposes. We make large aperture telescopes. We manufacture them so we get lower cost and high quality. We make everything. We're a vertical company. We design the telescopes, we make the telescopes, and we work with engineers on various applications.
And how has this show been for you this year?
It's been great. We've been able to talk to engineers, who are actually making the applications. We make the hardware, they design the applications. And so for them, it's an opportunity to find out what's available.
Ralph, thank you for your time. Thank you very much. And of course, it's not just established companies like Plane Wave Instruments that are here. There's also a brilliant showcasing ground for startups. Let's find one of those. So as I said, startups as well displaying here at this year's show. Additive Rocket Corporation are one of those. Riley, explain to me what you are actually showcasing this year.
Here we are showcasing some of our additively manufactured rocket engines, like this one here. We call it the Nemesis engine. Now what really makes these special is not necessarily the additive manufacturing itself, but what we can do with it, like these biomimetic fractal-based passages that allow us to optimally flow fluid through the engine and optimally remove heat out of the engine.
And how are these made?
These are made using a 3D printer. This one in particular is made using a plastic printer, but this one over here is using a metal DMLS printer.
Riley, thank you very much indeed. Okay, so startups and traditional companies, and this year as well, a lot of brand new tech. So here we are with some brand new tech, and Gary from Arlis. Gary, this is you're showcasing this here, quite bespoke. Tell me what we have.
Okay, what we have here is an antenna for airliners, business jets, and probably surveillance aircraft in the military domain. And what it is a KaBand flat beam steering antenna, which will give a very wide band capability and huge throughput of up to 2 gigabits per second. So when you're on your airliner and you're trying to download some Wi-Fi, instead of getting buffering, you will have a continuous download of things like Netflix, or go back to your boss and have a teleconference with impunity. So it's a good system.
I was about to say, will there be lots of interest in this, but I fly long haul and I want to watch Netflix. Thank you, Gary, thank you. I might try and get one of my own. So there's a lot of talk as well at this year's show about robotics in space. One company, SSL, are leading the way, and here I have Matt. Matt, tell me exactly what we have here.
All right, well, this is a robotic arm. It's a scale model of the Restore L robotic arm that's going to be able to give us some new capability to do satellite servicing in a low Earth orbit and allow us to build a new infrastructure in space.
And you've had lots of people on your stand over this sort of 3 days, haven't you? Everyone's looking at this and the other things you have here.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, absolutely. We have also some additional robotic arm that demonstrates some more on-orbit assembly over there, and we're involved with the SSL's building the bus for the Psyche probe that's going to be launching and exploring a all-metal asteroid. So a lot of interesting stuff going on.
Thank you very much indeed, Matt. Great to get your insight on the things there. Okay, so as you can see, startups, established companies, everything right here at Space Tech Expo 2018. You can find out all our videos, view them right now on our YouTube channel, and of course book for next year's show, spacetechexpo.com.